to Cosmic Wisdom. Thank you so much for joining me here today. So, today we're going to talk about a very significant day. We're going to talk about Amavasya, also known as new moon days. Now, no astrologer considers Amavasya as an auspicious day. Okay. No astrologer is going to ever recommend Amavasya for a marriage, moving into a new home, or buying a new car. It's not meant for that. Amavasya or new moon days have its own significance. The energies prevalent on Amavasya, they support letting go, they support personal growth, they support spiritual growth. They support activities of transformation, um, giving up vices, getting rid of things. And as an astrologer, I recommend my friends, families, and clients to often use the day Amavasya for new transformations, for something that they have been wanting to get rid of, something that has been holding them back. So, today I'm going to share with you a very, very powerful yet very simple activity. In fact, in Lal Kitab astrology, it is referred to as one of the most powerful activities that one can perform on Amavasya. Okay. So on the day of Amavasya, any time after 7:30, all through the night till the sunrise in the morning, is the most appropriate and the most beneficial time to perform this activity. It's a very simple activity. All you need is a white piece of paper and a black pen or a marker. I just like to use a marker. You can use a black pen, but it has to be black. Okay. And the paper has to be white. Let's try to understand what we're trying to do here scientifically. So, a white paper signifies purity. White signifies purity. White signifies cleansing. White signifies new beginnings. Okay. You want to take a clean white piece of paper, nothing written on it, nothing at all. And find yourself in a moment of reflection, wherever, any part of your home that is not noisy, where you can sit down for a few minutes and think. Think about what's holding me back. Think about what can I change to become a better person? What can I change to grow spiritually? What can I change to have betterment in my finances? What can I change to improve my relationships? My suggestion would be to not take more than two or three areas of your life, or two or three intentions. Because the more intentions you take, the more dispersed your energy is. Okay. And especially if you're going to do this for the first time, or if you are struggling with a disease and that's what you're trying to get rid of. Let me put a disclaimer right here that this is not a remedy exclusive of medical attention. Okay. So if you're struggling with a disease, please make sure that you're taking your medications and your proper treatment. But doing this activity will support all the medications, all the treatment that you're taking for helping you become disease free. Okay. I cannot even tell you how many positive testimonials I have received from family, friends, people that I've shared this with. So many people have been able to change things about them that they have been struggling for an extended period of time. I had a very close friend who was struggling with addiction, smoking multiple packets of cigarette every single day. And over a period of 6 months, of every month doing this activity, and of course with self control, cleansing, and all of that, he found all the help he needed to be able to become free from this addiction. So, this is not a magic pill. Rather, this is asking the universe to send you all the help and support you need to become disease free, to become free from whatever is holding you back. Okay, so let's take a look at what we're going to do. It's very simple, it's very easy. All you need is a white piece of paper and a black pen. And you will write down one, two, or at the most three intentions that you are setting for yourself. Okay. To give you an example, this is what I wrote down for myself. I wrote down, I am free from envy towards any living entity. I am free from the tendency to criticize others. I am free from the debt to my ancestors. They're happy and pleased with me. So I wrote down three intentions. Okay. Now, when I'm saying that you need to actually act on these intentions, you need to put effort towards these intentions. So if I'm going to say I'm free from the tendency to criticize others, I might find myself in a situation where I have every opportunity to criticize someone. Okay. And at that point, with this with this being set as my intention on a new moon day, I will remind myself that this is the intention that I've set for myself. And this works magically because at that moment, the universe helps you to remember the intention that you have set. Okay? So you just have to write this down once on a white piece of paper. All you will do is fold the piece of paper into as many small parts as you like. And with great intention, we're going to burn this paper. Okay? Now, white signifies purity, new beginnings, cleansing. Black signifies, black is a color that is known to attract any negativity. So when we write anything that we want to get rid of, a negative emotion or a negative quality or anything that is not serving us, we can write it with a black pen. It absorbs all that energy, and then we're going to burn this piece of paper. Just be careful. All you need to do is maybe hold it with the tongs, burn it. You can collect the ashes in a bowl and then release the ashes into the universe, asking for help to become the best version of yourself. So, this is a very, very simple activity that you can do on Amavasya. Amavasya is also recommended as one of the most powerful time for offering respect, oblations to our ancestors. What I really like to do is I like to cook something that my grandmother loved, and I like to offer it to my deities, and then I like to share it with friends and family. This is also one of the very, very effective remedies or activities you can do on Amavasya. It helps us become free from any sort of debts. It helps us become free from any negative emotions. It helps us become free from any negative or vices, if I may put it that way, or negative traits that we feel are not serving us, or something that we want changed, or a new transformation. All right. So, for another important thing to note is make sure to use calendar apps where they can tell you when is Amavasya on in your part of the world. So I live in California, and Amavasya for me is on September 2nd. But you can check any calendar apps, any apps like Vaishnav Calendar, or any apps that show you the tithis and the days and the moonrise and the sunrise. They will be able to tell you when is Amavasya in your location. All right. So I wish you all the very best. Please try this activity on Amavasya, and I would really, really like to know how things worked out for you. Remember, this can be done on every Amavasya. My recommendation to you would be that you stick with the same intentions till you are able to achieve what you want to. And then you can move on to new intentions, just so that you have focused energy. All right. Um, I look forward to seeing you all next time in another video. Thank you so much for tuning in.